A D E. Okay, D D. Okay, E. Okay, it is work for small capital letter.
Hello everyone, today in this video I want to show you how to create jQuery plugin to verify password strong. Okay, let's start together. Here is HTML, so I will start the password verify wrap. Okay, I use the 3 capital letter 3 small capital letter. Okay, at least 3 number, at least 3 special character. Okay, here I will got like this. Okay, so I will use class bootstrap, drop down list, drop down list. So I will class drop down main menu. Okay, it display high, so I will start to write the CS in here, like this. Okay, I hope you understand. So I will copy here, dot drop down menu. I want to display block. Okay, it will show, and I want to optimize this one. Display block is 100%. I want to use matching zeros, setting 0. Okay, and then I want to customize the URI. In here I use the margin 0, padding 20 pixel and 20 pixel here. Okay, and in here top span to control touch. Okay, alright, I use the floatless width Android 100%, padding 5 pixel, 0. Okay, in here I use the overflow hidden. I use the overflow hidden because I use this one float, and I need the display block more. Okay, and then in here I enter. Okay, and one more, and I have span. Okay, here I would like to display blocks one side. Here I zoom 100%. Okay, so I zoom out, so I use one side 16 pixels. Right up. Okay, I just refresh. Okay, so I test the background. I need to want to test border bottom 1 pixel. So let it. Okay, it is a double line. Okay, and then in here I use margin 0, padding 0, 30 pixel. Okay, 30 pixel, and then I need to generate icon, so I would like to before content null. Before I generate content, each one I want to use position relative, okay? Position relative. In here, content position absolute and top 0 0. Okay, wait, I need a 20 pixels. High 20 pixels. Background class, I use the default background class, and border radius 15. Okay, so we got like this. So I need the top 5 pixel. Okay, it's good. So I padding 25. Okay, it is the best. So I would like to generate text, and this one I use the colors. See. Okay. So in here, 3 pixels. Yes. Okay. And then I need to generate after one more. Okay. In here, after, and then I want to copy path the block circle, and after top. Okay. Width I need 6 pixels, and then 14. I don't use a background color and border. Okay. Yes. And then border 3 pixels, solid 9. Okay. And okay, I use 0. Okay. 9. 3. Okay. And then I will set border top 0, border right 0. Okay. Less, I will use less back. So we got like this. I set the high 20, and then I use transform rotate degree deg. Okay, I got like this, and then I set up the position 5 pixel, 6 pixel, up 5 pixel, and more 6 pixel, less 7 pixel. Okay, I think it is the best for me. And then it have it's a valid tree character is to check with positive. Okay, so I will to create the class, and one more I copy in here. I will copy. Okay, copy and paste, and span dot on. Okay, we have the class on in here. I will delete. Okay, background color, I use the default background color, and then I add class on, and class on. Okay, li. So in here I will remove here li dot on. Okay, and then this one I delete too, and dot on, and border color. Okay, I remove all border color. I did the white color. One more. Okay, in here I will got like this. Okay, and I would try to use margin. Okay, and one more 3 pixel, 4 pixel. No. 2. Okay, I do that 0 in here. 0 pixel. Check. Okay. And then okay, I do the 0. I want to change here to use the percent back. Percent absolute. Top 15 pixel, 13, 16, 15 8, 15 7, and 15 5. Okay, so I just remove here back. Okay, and then when in here dot on input, this block is so. Okay, and I would like to display none. display line. Okay. Okay. I want to scroll down. You can find in here login form. Okay, you see a login form. Login form URI, or you can use the class verify password. Okay, verify password. So I write on a class verify password. Not in here. Place so placeholder. So not need placeholder on so, and then you see here import label. Okay, class label, and then class is class. Okay, class can write for me, and then display block. Display we no need to use JS and impose. Okay, I try. Okay, so if I delete this one. Okay, so control Z. Okay.